Good morning. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Jessie. I just wanted to start this channel because I am so passionate about wellness and I have so many tips and tricks under my sleeve that I really just want to share with you all. And wellness is not just one or two habits. It's really a whole lifestyle. It starts with what you feed your body, how you move your body, how you nourish your mind. So I hope that you guys can gain something from this, and thank you for being here. I hope that everyone has a great holiday, and just know that if you're here watching, I am thankful for you. I'm about to bake some bread and muffins. Not like regular bread. We juiced some carrots, oranges, and lemon the other day, so we used the pulp from that to make our like kind of carrot cake bread muffins type thing. I think it's gonna be really good. So here we go. Just finished the bread. I'm about to put it in. It's baking at 350. I want to say for at least like 35 minutes. Just because it's bread, it takes a little longer. If y'all need motivation just to get in the kitchen, definitely just throw on some jazz music. It's honestly like so vibey. It gets you in the zone and helps you like romanticize the whole process, and it's just so nice to listen to. So I have a whole playlist, so I can share that with you guys if you want. But yeah, let me know if you like jazz, and if you do, what do you prefer? Because I personally like soft with like saxophone, but I know there's like guitar, piano, so let me know what you guys like. Just made chicken and cheese empanadas. Definitely could have put more cheese in them, but they are delicious. Look at our cilantro. We've been keeping it in this jar in the fridge with a little bit of water, and it's definitely lasted a while. I think it's been over 1 week that we've had it, and it still looks super duper fresh. So we are getting ready to go to the beach. I'm gonna wear this bikini and I will bring you guys along. On our way to, I think we're gonna go like downtown, kind of by the beach water area, and they have a river walk, so
we're gonna take Macho out.
Yay! Come with us. Hi y'all!
Welcome.
We are back from the park. It was pretty, and then we went to our favorite French bakery and got these awesome almond croissants.
Did you take a video?
Of course I took a video. Yeah.
So you guys saw the croissants.
Yeah.
They're actually, we were talking about that if we if we were to have our last meal, like
be on death penalty, we would be getting
Essentials.
those almond croissants.
essential sweet treat for sure.
Yes. As well as an entire array
What did we say?
of Cinnabons, but not
A
just
tray.
one, a whole tray of
A tray of
Cinnabons.
Cinnabons.
Penne alla vodka pasta
Beef patties.
with cocoa bread
Honk
and
burgers.
cheese. Yeah,
Mm.
the list goes on and on, really. So in this juice we have oranges, carrots, pineapple.
Ginger, lemon, and lime.
If you guys want, I can make a whole juicing video with like a bunch of different recipes to try and the benefits of that for your health. They're really good just to add into your diet to start living more healthy. Yeah. If you enjoyed watching, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below for any type of videos that you guys want to see specifically. I have so much stuff to share with you guys, so I will see you guys next video.